Hello, what's up guys? How's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. We are finally back with another market update video. Today we'll analyze BTC on 4-hour time frame and basically on 30-minute time frame as well. And we will analyze it and we'll predict the next move. Basically on my previous market update, BTC was around this area when we told you guys that this is potential trend line and liquidity lies above these areas in this area, so which might be grabbed before going down. So basically my previous update almost went failed, but we have to consider, or we have to accept our wrong analysis as well. But this was the wick which went according to our analysis, but almost our analysis didn't work unfortunately previous time. But we have to accept our failures, and basically that's the key if you want to be successful in this market. So today we'll analyze BTC on 4-hour time frame and 30-minute time frame. But before we get into the video, we told you guys on our Telegram channel as well and about BTC, and we traded the same move with our VIPs. This was a trade we traded with our VIPs, and see our risk management. We risk too much less, and see our profit is 6 to 7 times more than our risk. So in case if our one stop loss gets hit, only our one successful trade is equal to 7 or 8 stop losses. Okay, so this is how you can make money with our experts if you join us on VIP Discord. Because the reason to show you my Discord is so that you can distinguish Dr. Crypto from other Telegram or gambler Telegram channels who trade with poor risk management, who don't know anything about risk management. And even a newborn baby can trade with basically 1:10 or with poor risk management. So if I show you the risk management of those experts, they trade with this risk management. This is their risk and this is their target. So basically this is a poor risk management, and this is basically gambling. You can't make money if your 1 2 3 whatsoever 10 to 20 trades gets hit. They successful. This guys only 2 to 3 stop losses will take all of your money, and you will lose all of your account. Okay, so make sure not to follow any guy who trades with such poor risk management, because don't risk your hard-earned money to the experts who trade with this risk management. Okay, so let's get into the video. Currently BTC is trading into 21,484 while I am recording the video. What's happening right now? If we analyze BTC, we will see we had a low right here and we had high right here. The low got broken, and this was the area where we were expecting small bounce in price, and we traded this move with you guys in our Telegram channel as well, and we made good money in this zone. But what's happening right now, we broke this low, which basically when a low gets broken or a high gets broken, the trend gets shifted. Currently we broke this low, so we have been shifted from a bullish market, or from a bullish trend into a bearish trend. But what's happening right now, what are the zones of interest right now is this area and this area. But if we analyze this on smaller time frames, we will see that this area is basically more important for me than this area. Why? Because let me analyze this for you guys on 30-minute time frame. If we see the same move with 30-minute time frame, what we will see, we had high right here, low right here. The low got broken by this wick, and we had recent high right here. This high got broken by this move. So currently we have a break of structure on 30-minute time frame. This break of structure indicates that for smaller time frame on 30-minute time frame or small time frames, we have been shifted from bearish to bullish. Remember, our main trend on 4-hour time frame is bearish because we have broken the low. But on 30-minute time frame, as we break this high, then we can expect that price might medicate into this area before going down. Why price will medicate into this area? So the answer is basically on the 4-hour time frame. But what's happening on 30-minute time frame is we had low here, the low got broken by this wick, and high right here, the high got broken by this move. And now what we can expect that it can continue its small bullish move until this zone. Why? Because if we get into the 4-hour time frame, we will see that where liquidity obviously lies at this unmedicated order block, because we were expecting move up, but price dropped so quickly by this impulse move that it didn't touch this order block right here. So those institutions or those traders who had moved this market against you guys are now currently in loss. So in order to get out of their positions, out of their negative positions, this market has to move up, medicate into this area, and then it can continue its bearish momentum. Why it will go up? So I told you the reason according to 30-minute time frame, that the structure had been basically shifted from bearish to bullish. So what is the move I am expecting right now? We will see a small bounce in price, and according to my analysis, into this zone, and then we will drop. Okay, if anything news against our analysis comes in market, or Fed news, so this analysis would be failed, because you know guys that fundamentals are more important in market than technical analysis is. So don't blindly trust my analysis. This is basically the move, the reason I told you that price is moving up, why it is moving up. I explained all that to you guys. So this does not mean that our analysis will work perfectly, but this is the move I am expecting right now. So this was the video for today's market analysis. Hope so it's clear for you to predict the next move. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram if you want a free trading signals. So thank you very much.